In this tutorial, we will follow the complete workflow for creating multiple detective mystery puzzles. We will create puzzles based on all 4 mystery types, combine them in one book builder project, review the collection, check the finished layouts, and export the completed puzzle pages. To create a collection, open Book Builder. Select Add Multiple Puzzles to open the bulk puzzle generator. This allows you to create a group of puzzles without building every puzzle separately. Detective mystery puzzles includes 4 main mystery types. You can create murder mysteries, missing pet cases, stolen jewelry investigations, and missing witness puzzles. A book can focus on one mystery type or combine several types in the same collection. We will begin with murder mystery. First, select the templates you want the generator to use. For this example, I will select all 7 available templates. This gives the generated puzzles a wider variety of settings, characters, objects, and visual styles. Next, choose how many puzzles to create. For this demonstration, I will create 3 puzzles from each mystery type, giving us a mixed collection of 12 puzzles. In the section on the right, you select the language, the character style, and the order of puzzles. Now, we want to add another puzzle type. Click the button a few times to add 3 more puzzle types. The book summary gets updated automatically and now shows that we have 12 puzzles, 3 murder mysteries, 3 missing pet cases, 3 stolen jewelry investigations, and 3 missing witness puzzles. You can now click the button to create the 12 puzzles. It takes a few moments before all the puzzles are completed. When ready, they appear in the puzzle book section below. The puzzles can be arranged in the order you want them to appear in the finished book. Each puzzle can be edited, where you can change the images, objects, colors, style, and the appearance of that particular puzzle. You can also add even more puzzles to this same book if you want, and you can remove a puzzle that you no longer want to include. These changes affect the project without changing the original template. What makes these templates especially useful is that almost every part of them can be changed. You are not restricted to the original subject, such as a missing person, a stolen piece of jewelry, or a murder case. By changing the title, story, characters, locations, objects, and artwork, the same template can become a completely new themed mystery. For example, you could create The Secret Romance, a vanished circus performer, a stolen royal crown, a haunted hotel mystery, or a pirate's treasure. The template provides the puzzle structure while you decide what the mystery looks and feels like. And if you create a larger batch and there is one puzzle you are not completely happy with, you do not have to discard the whole series. You can open that individual puzzle and change its characters, rooms, objects, images, colors, or other details, while leaving the rest of the collection exactly as it is. Save the Book Builder project. The project file preserves the current collection and its order. This allows you to reopen the book and continue working on the project later. Once you are satisfied with your puzzles, you can export them together in your favorite format. You have now completed the workflow for generating multiple puzzles in one batch, combining different mystery types, reviewing the finished collection, checking the layouts, and exporting the puzzle and solution pages. If you find these tutorials useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if there is a specific feature you would like to see explained in a future tutorial, leave a comment below.